Okay. G'day everybody, my name's Dr. Alyse Price-Tobler, coming to you from Sydney, Australia, and I'm with my best friend and co-founder of the Nothing About Us Without Us conference, first one internationally in the world that we ran last year, 2024, for adult child survivors of high conflict divorce related to parental alienation, also known as child psychological abuse and some level of abduction for some of us. And we have a very big surprise for you.
Okay.
So take it away, Dawn.
Hi, everybody. I'm Dawn McCarty. I'm also an adult survivor of child psychological abuse, and I work closely with Dr. Price-Tobler on researching this particular form of abuse. And we are bringing something spectacular to you, like she was saying. It will be available on October 10th, which is World Mental Health Awareness Day. And we are deeming that day to also be Child Psychological Abuse Awareness Day.
Yeah, so stay tuned because we've got something very exciting coming. So we'll have more information for you soon. It's going to blow your mind.